The DNA Enigma, unlocking the secrets of your genetic blueprint. What if I told you that inside every single one of your cells, there's a tiny, twisted ladder holding the ultimate instruction manual for who you are? A manual so complex and powerful, it's the very foundation of life itself. We are talking about DNA. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of DNA. You might know it as the famous double helix, but there's so much more to this molecule than meets the eye. Let's start with the basics. The double helix, a molecular masterpiece. Think of DNA as a twisted ladder. The two side rails are made of a sugar phosphate backbone, and the rungs are made of four special chemicals called nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, or simply A, T, C, and G. These bases follow a strict rule: A always pairs with T, and C always pairs with G. These pairs are the letters of your genetic alphabet, and their sequence holds all the instructions for building you. And here's a cool detail: these two strands run in opposite directions. We call this antiparallel. One runs from 5' to 3', and the other from 3' to 5'. This is a crucial feature for how DNA works, especially when it's being copied. More than one twist, the forms of DNA. While the right-handed double helix is what we see most often, DNA is a bit of a shapeshifter. The classic, most common form is bDNA, a right-handed helix with a nice, wide major groove. This is the structure you'll find in most of your cells. But what if a cell gets dehydrated? DNA can change into aDNA. It's still a right-handed helix, but it's shorter and wider than bDNA. You can find this in places like the nucleosomes of your chromatin. And then there's the wild one, zDNA. This is a left-handed helix that zigzags back and forth. We don't see it as often, but it's thought to play a role in regulating our genes. The amazing thing is that the same genetic information can take on these different forms, each with its own special job. Mind-blowing DNA facts. Ready for some mind-bending facts? DNA is polar in nature and thus soluble in water. Did you know our DNA is about 50% similar to a cabbage? And that only 1 to 2% of your DNA actually contains genes? The rest is a mystery we are still trying to fully understand. A single gram of DNA can store the entire world's data. Yes, all of it. It's the ultimate hard drive. Scientists have even figured out how to extract animal DNA from the air itself. Imagine the possibilities for tracking endangered species. Denaturation and renaturation. When DNA gets hot, the two strands separate, a process called denaturation. But if you cool it down, they can snap right back together, which is called renaturation. The temperature at which they permanently separate is called the melting temperature. Interestingly, DNA sections rich in G and C bases have a higher melting temperature because they're held together by 3 hydrogen bonds, compared to A and T, which only have 2. More bonds mean more energy is needed to pull them apart. The blueprint for life. So, what's the point of all this? Your DNA is the blueprint for life. It stores all the instructions for your growth and development, directs the creation of every protein in your body, and passes your traits on to your children. It's why you have your mother's eyes or your father's smile. From the elegant double helix to its bizarre left-handed cousin, DNA is one of the most incredible molecules in the universe. It's the silent, steady force that makes you, you.